Hi, welcome to episode 4 of our 30-day Mercedes-Benz masterclass. If your Mercedes shows multiple warning lights at once, the problem might not be the parts, it might be the CAN network. Mercedes vehicles use a CAN bus system, controller area network, to allow all control modules to communicate. The ECU, ABS module, transmission module, front SAM, rear SAM, instrument cluster, all talk through two twisted wires, CAN high and CAN low. Normally, both lines sit around 2.5 volts when idle. When communication starts, CAN high rises slightly and CAN low drops slightly. That voltage difference allows data transfer. If one module shorts the network, or if there's water intrusion, or low battery voltage causes instability, the entire communication system can collapse. You'll see symptoms like multiple warning lights, no communication with modules, crank but no start, random electrical faults. Before replacing any control module, always test CAN voltage. Check for short to ground or short between CAN high and CAN low. If voltage is unstable, disconnect modules one by one until communication returns. Mercedes diagnosis is electrical logic, not parts guessing. Follow us for more and save this video.